communicating strong support. Hinuli ko yung communicating strong support kasi nga sabi natin, sabay, yung undergoing and overcoming. Pero ang teacher, ang
Wow, what
laki
is
ng
that,
kailangan
sorry?
from us. No? Kasi yung strong support, kahit
Yeah.
na
Ay,
yung
ayun,
bata
tira,
na yan,
inabay na
bumalik
ako,
pa
anak.
dun sa behavior niya na hindi maayos at ayaw na niya ulit mag-aral, ayaw na niya ulit mag-focus, we need to communicate strong support, ano man ang mangyari. No? And babalikan ko lang yung kanina, we know also our limitations. We can support, definitely, but we also need others to support this, kumbaga yung
Ay, lagi ka to diha. Kay maguga ba?
No? Kaya, laging
Pero na eh.
pantay-pantay siya. So, it's a process. May pagkakapantay-pantay at lagi mong babalikan kung ano yung mga nauna mo rin na binigay o na sinabi o in-establish, no? Ayan. Sige nga, let me hear from you. Kung meron kayo dyang thoughts or comments regarding regarding cultivating relationships.
Tangat lang.
Sige. Wow, ang daming heart. Nakakatuwa. Oh. Sige, baka meron na kayong comments dyan or thoughts? Okay. Sige. Okay. Sige, mamaya basahin natin. Ano? Baka excited na kayo dun sa third part. No? May comment po. Sige. Ayan. From, how do you read this? Rona Dalipe. Maybe one factor in the low PISA results of the Philippines is the learners who really accept learning because strengthening SEL competencies are sometimes neglected. They just come to school without valuing learning. I agree. No, I agree. And pag tingnan ninyo, if you dig
Tulog
deeper,
na diya.
isa din ito talaga sa kulang ng Filipino learners, no, yung social and emotional learning. Kahit yung pag-take ng exam, kung lang sa manner ng presentation, halimbawa, paano ka mag-take ng exam if it's computer-based, may mga bata pinanghihinaan na ng loob, no, kasi hindi familiar sa kanila. So, isa siya sa mga makikita at nakita rin na kailangan natin i-address. Thank you, ma'am. Ayan. Meron pa po ba? Ayan, from Mariel. We should connect and reconnect to their shoes or boats so that they can know that they are seen and valued. Yes, I super agree with this. Kaya nga, nagmamatter talaga. Actually, ito, sa pinag-uusapan natin, this is in the aral program, remediation na. What more kung ang mangyayari sa atin, mas konti yung learners para mas natututukan natin. Ano, that's very ideal setting. Pero napakagandang impact niyan sa Philippine education kapag nagawa natin yan. Kasi mapaparamdam talaga natin na bawat isang bata sa loob ng classroom, nakikita natin at nabibigyan natin ng pagpapahalaga. Thank you, Ma'am Mariel. Okay. From Ma'am Gladys Castillon, cultivating meaningful relationships with students begin with genuine presence. When educators show up not only to teach but also to listen, they create spaces where learners feel seen, heard, and valued. Trust grows from simple, consistent interactions, warm greetings, attentive conversations, and the willingness to understand each student's unique story. Yes, definitely, Ma'am Gladys. And sa pag-iikot din natin, isa sa mga very proud ako sa Department of Education. Hindi nawawala yung mga stories ng teacher kapag nag-extra mile sila. No? Ibig sabihin, they are not just teachers, but they really serve as, kumbaga, beyond teaching yung binibigay nila. At yung consistency sa kanilang behavior, ang nakakaramdam nun, hindi naman talaga yung mga principals, kundi yung mga ang nakakaramdam nun yung learners. At yun yung
Okay, from the letter A, family.
Sa learners natin. Meron pa po ba tayo? From Veronica, clearly state to the young learners about the things that we need to accomplish within the day. I super agree.
What is this?
isa sa mga practices
This
na
one.
nakita natin na maaari pang mag-improve
Kani.
sa system would be
Yes, this
informing
for.
our learners kung baga parang ano ba yung agenda natin in
Sare,
each of the
sare.
learning
Kani.
area as well as yung targets natin in a month. Kaya malaking bagay din na nagbibigay ng I don't know if you do
Okay,
this in
si
your
Ayan at
respective
saka
schools,
si
but
Ate
in some
Mamina.
schools,
Sa.
meron yung parang sort of circular letter.
Palang after me.
Ibibigay
Sa.
ano yung schedule
Sa.
for 1
Sa.
month, no, anticipated
Hey.
at mismo yung advisor
Sa.
yung nag-e-explain.
Sare.
Kaya
Sa.
pagdating ng halimbawa, periodical exams,
Sa.
alam ng bata ano yung itetest nila for the day. Alam nila na 3 subject lang, alam nila na 4 na subject lang, or ideally 2 subject lang. No, wag naman 4. Pero yun, yung information na yun, that will make so much difference kung paano natin ibinababa yung ating instructions. Thank you very much, Ma'am Veronica Akin. Then, from Ma'am Jeneline Alto, grabe yung realization ko how important it is to cultivate relationship through SEL. Lalo na yung mga aral learners are not my students. Oo nga, dapat alam nila ang goal ng remediation program. Ang galing. Thank you po for this training, ma'am. And thank you very much for staying, no? Kasi,
Masalit ka pa rin kung magbabo na lang.
program na ito ay nasa din teachers kung paano ninyo siya ita-translate sa loob ng classroom. I'm very thankful, Ma'am Jeneline, for this insight. Okay, thank you very much po. So we can continue. No, ang dami. Actually, may mga pumapasok pang comments. Siguro mamaya we'll find time to really read those comments.
Sat.
But, sustain. No, this is the last
Very good.
no, in the process.
Pat.
Sustaining relationships
Sare.
to
Pat.
share goals using SEL. No?
Very good.
So,
Ba.
how do we sustain? No?
Very good.
Establish na tayo ng relationship.
Sare.
Kilala na nila tayo.
Ba.
And then, after
Sare.
na magpakilanlan tayo, alam na nila
Ma.
kung ano yung goal, ano yung targets. No?
Ma.
And then, in sustaining the relationship, the positive relationship, kasama rin tayo doon sa celebration ng kanilang wins. No? Be it a small win or a big win, na perfect nila o at least half of the score nakuha nila. That's a win. Nagstay sila for the program or nagstay sila kahit nahihirapan sila. That's a win. No? And then, consistent encouragement. Magkakambal yan.
Pero
Yung
wala
celebrating
bulan
the wins
ko.
and consistent encouragement. Why? In celebrating, in consistent encouragement, may mga bagay naman talaga na sa palagay natin, hindi naman siya big win or hindi siya big time na talagang nagbago, nag-improve yung kanyang academic development o yung kanyang academic performance. However, no, ang sinasabi doon is ang nire-relate mo dun sa bata, consistent ka dun sa encouragement mo. Hindi niya kailangan mag-prove ng sarili niya through cheating. Kasi akala ng iba, ay, dapat mapataas ko itong score na to. Para makuha sa akin si Ma'am. At para makareceive ako ng mas maraming encouragement or ng positive attention mula kay teacher. Hindi ko kailangan mawagya. Kailangan ko maging totoo sa sarili ko at kailangan makita ko yung best ko. Yun yung consistent encouragement. And then, dun sa authentic engagement, maganda yung binanggit kanina yung comment na hindi siya teacher talaga nung mga batang under her sa aral program. Pero, nakita niya na mahalaga yung kanyang pagiging guro. So, that is already an indicator of an authentic engagement. Mahirap ma-achieve to. Kahit adults, no? Mahirap ma-achieve in a way na may factors na nakaka-affect sa authentic engagement. Marami kasi sa atin. Minsan, ang nagiging relationship mo ay transactional. Ano yung differences? Ano yung difference ng transactional doon sa engagement? Sa transactional, pagkatapos ng oras na yun, that's it. Wala ka nang ibibigay beyond the time. Meron naman talagang oras para sa trabaho, may oras para sa personal na bagay. But in the case of the remediation, mahalaga sa atin yung authentic engagement. Kasi maaaring beyond our time talaga yung
Bilangan
tayo
natin,
ay
ha?
makapag-support
One,
dito sa mga learners
two.
dito. I'm not saying
Pila ang
na you go
circle?
beyond the
Two.
time lagi o lagi
Asan
na
ka mo?
lang parang mag-overtime ka
Kamot.
just for you to be present
Sobra.
or be consistent dun sa
Okay, isa lang.
iyong
Kamot.
ginagawa in
Two.
terms
Pila?
of the aral program. But what I'm saying
Ay,
is,
Dari.
yung authenticity,
How many
yung
circles?
kind ng relationship na
How
meron,
many circles?
you go beyond dun sa
How many
na-achieve na ng
circles?
bata yung grade na kailangan
Karen!
or meron na talaga siyang parang nakita mo
Tapos
yung
yun.
improvement, hindi ka agad titigaw
How many
kasi
circles? Ayaw hawa yan. Dira
ang
ka lang.
sustaining,
Magatubag ka. Di ka mabunalan.
the
Karong lingkod.
relationships through
Pila?
SEL,
How many circles?
maraming process pa din siya. Kumbaga, hindi
How
lang siya
many?
natatapos doon sa,
Two?
ay, that's it, tapos na. No?
Circles.
So,
Pila,
mahirap
pila?
gawin, pero I hope that we can, at least, no, dun
Next,
sa process
dugahan na po siya
natin,
isa.
mapakita natin ito,
Ilangon na nato.
ma-manifest natin
One,
ito sa ating behavior.
Two,
Um,
three.
para sabihin ko
Pila
din sa
ka?
inyo, our learners,
Circle.
akala natin yan, mga bata, hindi nakakaintindi pa or
Asan ka mo?
baka limited yung vocabulary. Pero yung mga masasakit na
Thank
masasabi
you.
natin,
Sorry, how
hindi
many
natin
circles?
verbal. Yung gusto ka nilang
How many
kausapin,
circles?
pero you appear
One,
na hindi ka
two,
open or hindi ka available.
three.
A
Good
smile
job.
can
Oh, walang
lead
palo.
to,
Basta
better
na?
feelings naman talaga.
Walang palo siya yun.
Kesa
Wala
yung
pa
hindi
kakilaw
mo
na.
siya, parang
Kay
hindi mo siya
Birik mo.
nakikita.
Let's
Yan.
add
Saka
another
resign yan.
circle.
Hindi ko rin isisisi yan sa ating lahat. Kasi nga, marami tayong communicator. Pero let's
Sorry,
try
can
our
you make
best,
this?
no? Lalong-lalo na sa
Sorry.
ating mga adult learners.
Let's count the
Ipapil natin sa
circles.
kanila that we
One,
are authentic with our engagement. And
Oh,
then,
follow the circle.
bouncing back
Sabay
is
sa
actually a
count.
skill na mahalaga, no, sa ating mga adult
Three,
learners.
four.
Kanina binanggit ko, no, while we are doing the process
Pila
or
ka
while
circle?
we are undergoing, maaaring
Kanina ba?
hindi
One,
maging maganda yung direction
two,
or mapunta siya doon
three,
sa opposite direction ng goal.
Pila?
So, tinuturo din natin sa kanila, part of our sustaining the
Pila? Pila ka
relationship,
circle?
how to
One,
bounce back. So,
two,
kailangan nyo din doon yung
three,
pause,
four.
yung stop and go.
Pila ka circle?
Kasi dun sa bouncing back, doon din sila,
Pila?
kumbaga yun yung magiging lunsara
Sabda
nila.
po. Isa na
At
lang.
mahalaga ito,
Isa na lang.
no?
One,
Ang pinakamasakit
two,
siguro na maririnig
three,
natin, hindi yung hindi
four.
makamove on
Pila
or
ka
hindi
circle?
makamove forward. Ang isa sa mga maririnig
Pila ka
natin is
circle?
yung aayaw na. Kasi
Pila ka
for
circle?
the end time, naging failure siya. Kumbaga, after na nag-aral program, ganun pa rin, hindi pa rin kaya. No?
One,
So, yung skill na
two,
tinuturo naman natin this
three,
time in the sustain
four.
would be
Four
bouncing back.
circles.
Paano ba sila makakabalik? Paano ba nila babawiin yung sarili nila? No? And then, nabanggit ito kanina,
Five.
being present. Mahalaga ito.
One,
No? Being
two,
present in a way
three,
na
four,
maaaring ito, this is something na personal, pero I see to it,
circle.
no, minsan, ang dami ko rin, ako, bilang adult, ang dami kong,
Dugangan na po data.
kumbaga, ginagawa, no? And,
Ilan na ang
there will be
circles?
times na
One,
hindi talaga ako makaka-reply on time,
four,
no?
five,
But I'm making sure
six.
na before the day ends, magre-reply talaga
Circle.
ako. Same with my relationships. Ganun din tayo. Being
Ilang
present,
five?
showing up. That is also part of
Ana,
commitment sharing.
Ilang five?
Kung ang
One,
expectation natin sa mga
two,
batang ito is that they
three,
commit themselves
four.
doon sa aral program at mag-undergo sila nung process
Ilan
nito.
ang circle three?
Tayo
Makikita
din.
yung bad na.
We need to commit ourselves. And
Ano
that's
po,
part
circle
of
na po.
commitment sharing. No, yung being present and commitment sharing,
Three, four,
related sila sa isa't
five,
isa.
six,
We cannot be committed if we are not present. No?
one, two,
Parang sa
three,
love
four,
life,
five, six, seven.
may long distance relationship, pero mas mahirap
two,
i-maintain. Tama?
Three,
No? So we need to
four,
be present. If it's
five,
not a physical presence, how
six,
can we be present in their lives? Nararamdaman nila tayo at masusuportahan natin
Ay,
sila.
galing-galing
Kahit
yun!
may mga difficulties, may mga concerns tayo in terms of gagamitin nating platform or gagamitin
Alin na,
nating
parang
learning environment for the aral program or for the remediation.
1,
No?
2,
So
3,
that's
4,
how I
5,
see
6, 7,
the
8.
sustain part of
What's up?
building positive
2,
relationships.
3,
Baka
4,
mamaya na ko hingi ng thoughts, no?
6,
Because
7,
I want to emphasize on
8,
this. Recognizing achievement of goals,
9,
we need to recognize the small step and the big step,
1,
no? Yung
2,
small step,
3,
mapapagod talaga
4,
tayo, pero yung recognition na ito, yung achievement ng goal,
Kamot.
malaki ang bagay para sa ating lahat, no? And then managing setbacks. Maraming bata ang nagkakaroon ng
2,
mental health problem
3,
because they don't know
3,
how to manage setbacks or they don't know how to manage
4,
feelings of failure, no?
6,
Depende pa yan kung may mga predisposition. Ito yung iingatan natin, no? The guidance counselor in me saying, kailangan ko itong sabihin.
8,
Maraming bata, hindi natin alam yung kanilang
Very
background,
good.
maaaring predisposed sila or meron na silang mga bad hits sa kanilang buhay. Na isang
Okay.
failure lang,
1
minsan nga,
plus
GMRC
1
and values
equals,
nag-fail.
sorry, 1
Tapos
plus
dahil
1
sabi,
equals,
GMRC na nga lang bumagsak ka pa. Yung values na nga lang bumagsak ka pa. You don't
1
know
plus
bakit.
2 equals,
Only the person knows bakit
1,
ganun yung
2,
hit sa kanya nun, o yung dating sa kanya. That's why really
bilang nga, bilang nga, 1,
siguro ito ay
bilang yan, bilang,
parang
1,
paradigm shift,
2,
mind shift sa ating lahat na we don't really underestimate
1 plus 2
no, the
equals,
feelings as well as yung emotion na nilalabas nila in terms of
1, 2,
setbacks
3.
kasi maaaring mas deeper doon yung pinanggagalingan nila. You know what I mean? No? At alam din
Basta.
natin na yun yung pinakamas
2 plus 2 equals,
Karen!
2 plus 2 equals,
yung malugmok sa ganong sitwasyon. And we don't want that to happen. And then,
2 plus 2,
definitely, in sustaining
2
the
plus 2,
relationship, we need to communicate the ways
2,
forward.
3,
Para sila din,
4.
mangangarap
2
sila.
plus 2
Sila
equals,
din, alam nila saan patungo. No? Alam nila kung ano yung pagdadaanan, alam nila yung proseso, at alam nila saan patungo. Para malinaw sa kanila na hindi lang ito dahil nag-fail ka or dahil kailangan mo ng remediation. Kailangan natin itong gawin, no? Para matulungan ka na magtagumpay. Gustuhin mo, no? Kumbaga, doon pa lang sa pagmamanage, ano ba yung gusto ng bata? Ano ba yung kanyang pangarap? Andito ako bilang guro mo, susuporta doon sa pangarap na yon. No? Malaking bagay yun sa ating lahat. No? Kaya, mahalaga sa atin para sa sustaining our relationship. No? Through shared goals using SEL. Okay? So, may I hear? No? Ayan. Meron akong gustong basahin dito. One of the comments. If you want aral program to be effective and efficient, commitment rather than compliance. I love that. No?
Are you
We go beyond
ready?
compliance.
Are you
We need,
ready?
we really need the commitment. No? Yung binabanggit kanina. From Jojo Jeda,
Okay
Bartolome.
na?
Authentic engagement. Personally, this is where our
Are you
extra miles
ready?
happen. We go beyond what is asked to go deeper and reflect
Sure.
on solutions that our learners need. And I appreciate
Sorry,
that.
nagapamino ka sa kay Teacher
Yan
Mommy.
yung isa sa mga
Sorry, are you
mapagmamalaki
listening
ko.
to
Ang
Teacher
dami kong
Mommy?
kakilala na
You're not
na
listening
may
ba?
mga kaibigan ako. Actually,
Basta
ang
study,
circle
hindi
ko ay
gusto
depende naman
study,
talaga.
study.
Ang mga kaibigan ko, kitang-kita ko yan. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Bartolome. Extending our help is really helpful and fulfilling both for teacher and student. Yes, for teacher, it requires effort with passion.